Welcome to Field Service Rewired, a video focused on engineering empathy and human-centered systems in the age of automation. We face the paradox of modern IT support. Automation handles the easy 80% of tasks, leaving the emotionally complex 20%. This is the empathy gap, where human intervention restores trust. A large percentage of frequent support users feel their emotional state is overlooked in digital interactions. The fundamental shift in field services moves from a, quote, break-fix mechanic to a brand ambassador. We're shifting from system uptime and SLAs to user confidence and experience level agreements, or XLAs. Technical skill gets systems running, but empathy keeps people going. Culture is a behavior mirror, illustrated in the experience cascade. Leadership models curiosity, reinforces empathy, and coaches clarity. This leads the team to ask better diagnostic questions and listen first. The user ultimately feels heard, supported, and informed. Operational empathy consists of 3 layers: cognitive, emotional, and behavioral. Cognitive empathy means understanding the user's situation. Emotional empathy involves mirroring tone. Behavioral empathy is changing your approach based on the interaction. Empathy is a measurable performance multiplier. Scripting for emotional resonance moves from transactional to empathy-driven. An empathy-driven response validates emotion, provides certainty, and takes ownership of the issue, fostering a better user experience than a purely transactional approach. The emotion-to-action triage matrix guides responses based on the user's emotional state and required action. Responses range from de-escalating anger to reinforcing partnership, tailoring the tone and action to the specific situation. The Service Standard Ladder engineers culture through 3 steps. Step 1 defines the core value, such as empathy. Step 2 outlines the observable behavior. Step 3 identifies the consistency trigger, when this behavior is most critical, like during escalations. Standards translate values into muscle memory. Behavioral nudging in the field makes the preferred action the easiest. This includes digital nudges, like CRM alerts, social nudges, like peer recognition prompts, and environmental nudges, such as an empathy checklist. Tuning the dials of trust uses the SCARF mechanism: status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. Violating any of these dials, even with a flawless technical fix, creates distrust. TechBars architect psychological safety through deliberate design. This includes high traffic visibility, a greeting zone with soft lighting, a side-by-side standing triage zone, and a resolution zone for complex fixes. This design has resulted in a 30% drop in escalations. The evolution of measurement moves from SLA, focusing on technical performance and reactive mindsets, to XLA, prioritizing human outcomes like emotion and value. XLA metrics include net trust score and emotion sentiment, moving past the quote, watermelon effect trap. The purpose feedback loop involves 4 steps. Listen for sentiment-rich feedback, reflect on missed expectations, adjust scripts and nudges, and reinforce positive behavior. Culture is preserved by movement, not memory. The service experience ecosystem centers on the field technician. It requires internal alignment, vendor integration, AI orchestration, and end users working together. True excellence moves from siloed support to shared value networks. The business case for behavior is clear. Human inputs like empathy and trust drive an ROI flywheel, leading to lower turnover, increased first-time fix rate, reduced rework costs, and accelerated tech adoption. Behavior is the strategy, reducing operational drag,